This video will be highlights from my last placement match against Diamonds and Immortals where I carried my team playing Shotgun Sage. I included longer clips to show my playstyle for both attack and defense. My team also doubted me in the beginning, so I let my gameplay do the talking. Make sure to follow me on my socials. I'll be posting stupid stuff on my Twitter, cat and dog pictures on my Instagram, and I'll also be making a Discord server as well. And once again, thank you for all your kind words and support, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Last player standing. Return to dust.
Why are you only buying a Bucky Surge?
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Sometimes it's just how it goes.
Well, I would do him, but yeah.
This isn't the first time I've had a Sage buying only Bucky.
It's actually the third. Yeah, most of the time we lose, but you know, maybe this guy's just best Bucky player.
I know it's strong right now, but like we're also bad.
Yeah, I understand defense Bucky, sort of, but attack, I just don't.
Enemy.
Yeah, yo, got one guard and he's gonna get my gun. He's going for it.
Sova removed.
Flash it.
Fire in the hole. One enemy remaining. I am a mountain. Still in sight.
One backside.
Oh, he had off.